heard it. It goes squish, squish.
Yes.
He's the most handsomest. You want to come over?
Please, what are you going to do with us?
Well, considering the absence of the arresting officers and certain other unforeseen circumstances, I'm going to release you.
Oh,
All I want is your word that from now on you'll find a more innocuous way of settling your differences. Promise?
no.
Thanks.
I'm going to release you.
Slimed me. Little bastard. You're almost sneezing on me, guys. Come on.
Bojo?
It's coronavirus.
Guy rented 3 apartments and
Son of a
tried to
bitch.
get away and
You better not be sick. I'm dead.
They chased me all the way across the roof of the apartment building, and they jumped to the bank. Jumped. The old guy just went and zoom, boom.